If you're an aspiring CPA and have a lot of questions regarding the tax syllabus, this video is made for you. By way of introduction, I am Attorney Jose Dula II, and I am a tax practitioner, labor practitioner, and corporate law practitioner as well. So in this video, we'll answer frequently asked questions regarding the tax syllabus. So first question, is there a new syllabus for tax? So effective October 2022 examination for CPAs, there will be a new syllabus. So afterwards, for May 2023, October 2023, we will use the same tax syllabus. Okay, so next frequently asked question is, Sir, ilang items po kaya yung exam natin sa tax? Puro computations po ba? Ilan po ba yung questions natin on theory, mga ganyan-ganyan. So, how many items yung exam natin for taxation? So, the examination shall have 70 multiple choice questions. And there will be 21 questions requiring your knowledge, skills, and values. 35 questions on application, so more on computation, and 14 questions on degree of independence. So regarding the knowledge, skills, and values, it will test your memory and understanding of the tax laws. Okay, so sa application naman, more on application and degree of independence, more on computations. Okay, more on analysis, evaluation. Okay, so next question natin will be, so what are the applicable laws regarding the licensure examination for CPA? So we are not only limited to studying the National Internal Revenue Code. Okay, so we will also, in the examination, it will also cover the BIR issuances such as, but not limited to, revenue regulations, revenue memorandum circulars, revenue rulings on income tax, value-added tax, national internal revenue taxes. The examination will also deal with the organization and functions of the BIR. So particularly, nasa first part yan ng National Internal Revenue Code natin. Compositions ng commissioners, deputy commissioners. We will also have to study tax remedies, compliance requirements, and statutory offenses and penalties. So aside from NIRC, meron na tayong BIR issuances, and another basis for taxation is the local government code, which refers to the local taxation and real property taxation. So yun lang ba yung covered ng tax syllabus? We'll also discuss yung preferential tax or tax exemption kasi kasama siya sa licensure examination for CPA. So ano ba yung mga preferential taxation? So in the screen, you'll see taxes pertaining to senior citizens and persons with disability, Board of Investments, PEZA, BCDA, BIMB, and yung various tax treaties and other special laws and issuances that may be legislated in the future. So hindi lang tayo limited sa National Internal Revenue Code but also relevant tax laws. Sir, provided din po ba yung tax table sa mga examination natin? So will they provide the tax table in the examination? So if hindi nyo siya memorize, huwag kayong mag-alala because the graduated tax rates, excise tax rate, DST, local business tax, and yung RPT rates including yung assessment level of real properties will be provided in the examination when the candidates are required to compute taxes. Especially, magta-transition na naman tayo sa panibagong progressive table on income taxation effective January 1, 2023. Bago na naman yung tax rates natin sa income taxation. So if you're familiar with the current situation sa income taxation on in excess of 250,000 to 400,000, it's 20%. But effective January 1, 2023, it will now be 15%. Okay? So, wag na kayo mag-worry regarding the tax table. And now we proceed to the table of specifications sa taxation. So, effective October 2022 examination, ito na yung magiging hati ng mga questions. Kasi maraming mga candidates after ng exam, sasabihin nila maraming lumabas regarding corporate tax, maraming questions regarding transfer tax. But now, effective October 2022 examination, nakalatag na siya for every topic. Okay? So, start tayo with number 1, yung principles of taxation. Or ito yung tinatawag natin na general principles of taxation. So, out of 70 items na itatanong for the CPE board, there will be 8 questions regarding general principles. If natatandaan ko yung mga na-interview ko na candidates who took the December CPA examination, yung recently concluded na exam lang, there are easy questions regarding general principles. So, wag nyo na sanang ma-miss yung mga low-hanging fruits o yung mga easy questions on general principles. And yung next topic will be tax remedies, which deals with the remedies of the taxpayer and remedies of the government. So, ilang questions naman regarding here. There will also be 8 questions as well. So, meron na kayong 8 on general principles, meron na kayong 8 on tax remedies, so that will be a total of 16 questions. Okay? So, ilang items ba dapat para pumasa ng tax? So, you need at least 75% of 70 items. So, I think that's roughly 54 points. 54 points. So, dapat at least makuha ng 54 points sa taxation para pumasa. Okay? Sa income taxation naman, it will be the biggest chunk of the taxation exam because there will be 14 questions or at least 20% of the entire exam. So, 14 questions which will deal with income taxation. Sir, ilan po kaya yung breakdown sa income taxation? Ilan yung questions on corporate taxation? Dito sa table of specifications, hindi na siya bin-break down into individual or corporate taxation. So, kung sa akin lang, kung ako yung examiner, I will divide this into 7 questions income taxation and 7 questions corporate taxation. Okay? So, next topic tayo. Yung next topic natin, okay. So, in the recently concluded CPA board examination, meron kasing question regarding the tax return. So, baka malula kayo if you are not familiar with the BIR forms, you should be familiar with it. So, we have yung 1700, 1701, 1702. 1700 deals with the compensation income earners. 1701 and yung mga variation niya deals with business and professionals. Yung 1702 naman and yung variations will deal with corporate filings. Okay? So, in the December examination, there's a question regarding what will be the amount in item number 56. Okay? So, ano ba yung nasa item 56 natin dito? So, yung item 56 natin is the tax due. So, ganun lang yung question niya. What will be indicated in item 56? So, you need to compute for the tax due. So, sales less sales return equals net sales plus total other non-operating income equals total taxable income less allowable deductions equals taxable income. And from the taxable income, you use the graduated tax rates and thus you compute the tax due. Okay, so baka mabigla lang kayo, makita nyo yung question sa CPE board exam, merong forms na tinatanong. So you should be familiar with the different forms used in BIR filings. Okay, so next major topic is yung transfer taxes. Here, describe, analyze, and compute estate tax and donor's tax. So, ilang percentage to? 17.14%. So, there will be 12 questions dealing with transfer taxes. So, if siguro ako yung examiner, I will divide this into 4 questions on donor's tax and 8 questions on estate tax. Okay? And you should also be Be aware of the questions or yung tinatawag natin na chain questions. Merong one problem and there will be five questions. So para siyang auditing problems. Pagdating sa tax, meron ng mga ganong tanong kaya medyo mababa yung passing rate talaga sa tax. Okay? So next major topic will be business taxes. So ano naman yung nasa business taxes natin? We have yung VAT, yung percentage tax and other percentage tax. Okay, sa business taxes naman will be 12 questions. So same weight with transfer taxes. Siguro if ako yung examiner, more on VAT yung itatanong ko and few questions on OPT, other percentage tax. Okay, next topic. Ito yung mga items na konti lang siya, pero if collectively i-assume natin siya, yung excise tax and documentary stamp tax. So, 2 questions for excise and 2 questions for documentary stamp tax. So, total of 4 items din siya. So, if I were you, mag-allot ako ng time dito for excise and documentary stamp tax. Kasi, mag-expect ka ng 4 questions regarding this topic. 2 questions excise, 2 questions documentary stamp tax. Okay, so last 2 topics for the Cpale examination will be the taxation under the local government code. So there will be 4 questions regarding local government taxation, local taxation, and real property taxes. So if I were the examiner, I will give I will allot 2 questions for local tax and 2 questions for real property taxes. So yung last topic naman regarding the tax syllabus is the preferential taxation. So there will be 8 questions regarding preferential taxation. So there are 4 minor topics regarding preferential taxation. We have yung CESA, BCDA, and we have yung Omnibus Investments Code, and we also have yung double taxation agreements. So 8 questions, 4 minor topics. So ang allocation dyan will be 2 questions each. So 2 questions CESA, 2 questions BCDA, 2 questions Omnibus Investments Code, 2 questions double taxation agreement. So preferably ganun yung allocation for the preferential taxation. So again, there will be 70 items regarding taxation, 21 questions regarding KSV, knowledge, skills, and values, 35 questions regarding application, and 14 questions on degree of independence. Okay, so tip lang for the candidates. So if you have 120 minutes to study taxation, okay, so i-allot mo siya based on the percentage. So halimbawa, for preferential taxation, 11.43%. So dapat 11.43% ng 120 minutes mo, last 120 minutes mo to study tax shall be allocated to preferential taxation. 5.73% of 120 minutes, allocate mo siya sa taxation under the local government code para makover mo lahat ng topics under the tax syllabus. And use this tax syllabus as your checklist. So para mag-inventory kayo ng alam nyo at hindi nyo pa alam regarding tax. So gamitin nyo tong tax syllabus as your guide para wala kayong ma-miss out na topic pagdating sa CPA licensure examination. So licensure examination will be just around the corner, a few days from now. So good luck everyone for those who will be taking the licensure examination for certified public accountant. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope na sana natulungan ko kayo sa journey nyo ng pagiging certified public accountant. So thank you everyone for watching.